Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We're going to take a look at this 1172 Lance set up for a dually. Nice big camper. I'll show you inside here in a minute. Hey, all right, inside this nice 1172 Lance. So this has the side door entry. So you have a slide out in the back with a couch that makes into a bed actually. It's got recliner. This has got the MCD shades, fantastic fan, little storage closet beside there. Then you got the booth here. Walking in, and then underneath you got two big old drawers at storage. So this has the little bunk that pulls down too above the cabinet here. Sink stove. It's got the stainless steel package, cabinets, generator hookup. This has already got a solar panel on the roof. A little bit of drawers right there. You got your TV. You go up towards your bedroom on the left. You got your refrigerator, Norcold refrigerator, freezer. You got air conditioning, skylights. You got your bathroom on the right. It's got a dry bath in it. And then in the bed, you got nice steps going up into the bed with a stereo, built-in stereo system. You got cabinets on the left and the right with the nice window, skylight up in the front. So it gives you lots of light. So a lot of room in this. This is about as big as camper as you're going to find. So dually, of course, you have to have for this camper. But what a beautiful camper. Don't even look like a camper inside. All right, Dewy.McDonald here again. We looked inside this 1172 Lance. If you're looking for any kind of RV, fifth wheels, toy haulers, campers, motorhomes, you name it, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.